I'm Charlotte Sparkle, and today I'm going to make some cola bottle edible slime. Now let's get started. So first I'm going to tip all the cola bottles out. Now I need to put these in the microwave for 10 seconds. Now I'm going to stir it. Ew, gooey. Ew. That is... I love it. It's like metallic slime. Edible metallic slime. It's like... Oh, that's so much like metallic edible slime. Cool. I can still see it. Very similar spoon. Also wants to do it. Now I'm going to put a few spoonfuls of corn flour in it. It's very tough to stir. You might need to stir it a lot. And it goes a bit white when it's in the bowl like that. Now I'm going to pick my slime up. Making me don't go down. It's very scary. Now I'm going to put some more in. Look at this! Now I'm going to put some candy on it. Now let's do it. Oopsie. Now I'm going to put some of these on. And a few Skittles. Now I'm going to fold it together. Ah. So good. This was such a good result. That's it, guys. See you next time. Bye.